How to master the AI basics. Welcome to this presentation on mastering the basics of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a practical technology impacting various aspects of our lives and work. Understanding AI is crucial in today's tech-driven world. Whether you're a professional looking to incorporate AI into your business, a student diving into AI studies, or simply an AI enthusiast, this guide will lay the foundation for your journey into the world of AI. Understanding what AI is and isn't. Let's start with understanding what AI is and, importantly, what it isn't. AI is the field of computer science focused on creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, problem solving, recognizing patterns, and understanding natural language. However, it's crucial to dispel the myth that AI is about creating sentient robots. AI is about augmenting human abilities at automating tasks, not replacing humans. Exploring the types of AI. There are mainly two types of AI: narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI, which we use today, is designed for specific tasks like facial recognition, voice assistance, or driving autonomous vehicles. General AI, which is still theoretical, would have the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence broadly and autonomously, much like a human being. Learning the basics of machine learning and deep learning. Central to AI is machine learning, where computers learn from data to perform specific tasks without being explicitly programmed for those tasks. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, involves neural networks with many layers that mimic the human brain, enabling the machine to learn from large amounts of data. Understanding these concepts is key to grasping how AI works. Familiarizing yourself with AI applications. To practically understand AI, familiarize yourself with its applications. AI is everywhere, from the recommendation engines on Netflix and Amazon to customer service chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. In business, AI is used for data analysis, automating routine tasks, and enhancing customer experiences. In healthcare, it's used for diagnostic tools and personalized medicine. Knowing these applications helps you see the real-world impact of AI. Hands-on experience with AI tools. Next, gain hands-on experience to truly appreciate AI's capabilities. Even if you're not a tech expert, there are user-friendly AI platforms available online that allow you to experiment with AI functionalities. Engage with tools that offer AI-based image recognition, language translation, or even create simple AI models. For those interested in coding, Python is a great starting point for AI programming due to its simplicity and widespread use in the field. Websites like Kaggle offer datasets and competitions that can provide practical experience in AI problem solving. Additionally, consider using AI plugins for common software applications to understand how AI can enhance everyday tasks. Stay updated and keep learning. Finally, AI is a rapidly evolving field. Stay updated with the latest developments by following AI news, attending webinars, and joining AI communities or forums. Continuous learning is vital in AI. As technologies and applications evolve, so should your understanding and skills. Conclusion. Mastering the basics of AI involves understanding its fundamental concepts, types, and applications, getting hands-on experience, and staying informed about its ongoing developments and ethical considerations. As you embark on this journey, remember that AI is a tool for enhancement and efficiency, designed to work alongside human intelligence, not replace it. Thank you for joining this presentation. Whether AI is part of your career or a subject of your curiosity, the journey to understanding it is both exciting and rewarding. Keep exploring, learning, and growing in the field of AI. Stay tuned for more insights and guides on navigating the ever evolving world of technology.